the 10 most impactful financial changes you need to start today. Hey everyone, are you ready to finally take control of your finances and build a brighter future? It can feel overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. In this video, we're breaking down 10 simple, yet incredibly powerful financial changes you can start implementing today. These aren't complicated strategies, just practical steps that can make a huge difference. They're simple, realistic, and if you stay consistent, they can completely change your life. If your bank account is always empty, if your savings never grow, and if you feel like you're working hard but going nowhere financially, this video is for you. Today, we'll go over 10 simple but powerful financial changes you can start making right now, no matter your income. These aren't get-rich-quick tricks. They're real habits that can completely transform your financial life if you stay consistent. So, if you're ready to transform your financial life, let's dive in. Welcome to Focus and Finance, where we help you build wealth, save smart, and take control of your money one step at a time. If you're new here, subscribe and join our growing community of people working toward real financial freedom. Now, here are 10 changes you need to start today. First up, and this is crucial, track your spending. You can't manage what you don't measure. Knowing where your money is going is the foundation of financial control. There are tons of ways to do this, from budgeting apps to simple spreadsheets or even a good old-fashioned notebook. Find a method that works for you and commit to tracking every dollar. When you see where your money goes, it becomes easier to cut back. You'll be shocked how much you spend on little things like snacks, subscriptions, or rides. Within a week or two, you'll start noticing patterns that you'll catch waste. You'll start making smarter choices. This one habit can open your eyes and help you take control of your money. Once you know where your money is going, it's time to create a budget. A budget is simply a plan for how you'll allocate your income. This includes your essential expenses like rent and food, but also your savings goals and even some fun money. The key is to stick to your budget as closely as possible. A good budget gives you control. Budgeting is not about restriction, it's about direction. A good budget should match your lifestyle, not punish you. Use the 50-30-20 rule if you need a simple start: 50% for needs, rent, food, bills, 30% for wants, entertainment, leisure, 20% for savings or debt repayment. Adjust the numbers to fit your income and priorities. Budgeting gives every dollar a job, so nothing is wasted. Think of it as a roadmap for your money. Life is unpredictable: a job loss, a medical bill, a family emergency, and that's why building an emergency fund is so important. Unexpected expenses like car repairs or medical bills can derail your finances if you're not prepared. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a readily accessible account. This will act as a safety net, protecting you from going into debt when the unexpected happens. It's peace of mind in a bank account. Start small, aim for $100, then grow it gradually. It's your financial safety net. High-interest debt, like credit card debt, is a financial vampire. It sucks your money away every month and makes it harder to reach your financial goals. The sooner you get rid of high-interest debt, the faster you can build wealth. Debt is a silent thief. Especially if it's from credit cards or loan sharks, focus on the highest interest debts first. Pay more than the minimum. The faster you clear it, the more money you keep for yourself in the long run. Debt freedom is real freedom. One of the easiest ways to save money is to automate the process. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings or investment accounts. This way, you're paying yourself first before you even have a chance to spend the money. Even small, consistent contributions can add up over time. Take a close look at your subscriptions. Are you really using all those streaming services, gym memberships, and online tools? Chances are, you're paying for things you don't even use. Canceling unnecessary subscriptions is an easy way to free up some extra cash. It's basically free money. Do you really need 4 streaming services? Are you paying for a gym you never go to? Review your recurring expenses, cut the ones that don't add real value. That's money you could be investing or saving instead. Don't be afraid to negotiate your bills. Call your service providers, like your internet or phone company, and ask for a lower rate. You might be surprised at how often this works. Companies often offer discounts to retain customers. Investing early and often is one of the best things you can do for your financial future. Even small amounts invested consistently can grow significantly over time thanks to the power of compounding. Don't wait until you have a lot of money to start investing. Start now, even if it's just a small amount each month. You don't need to be rich to invest. Time is your greatest asset when it comes to investing. Start with what you have, even if it's $10. Use trusted platforms or speak to someone who understands investing. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to personal finance. The more you learn about money management, the better equipped you'll be to make smart financial decisions. Read books, listen to podcasts, take online courses. There are tons of free and affordable resources available. Invest in your financial education. School doesn't teach us how money really works, but the internet does. Make it a habit to read or watch something about personal finance every week. Books, YouTube videos, podcasts, there's so much free info out there. The more you learn, the more confident you become. And confident people make better money decisions. Finally, set clear financial goals. What do you want to achieve with your money? Do you want to buy a house, retire early, or travel the world? Write down your goals and create a plan to achieve them. Having clear goals will keep you motivated and focused on your financial journey. Saving just for the sake of saving doesn't work. Write it down. Break it into steps. Set goals that excite you. You're more likely to reach a goal if you can see it. Write down exactly what you want. Do you want to save 1 million Nigerian nairas? Buy a plot of land? Pay off your student loan? Be specific. Add deadlines. Goals give your money a purpose. Without goals, it's easy to drift and spend without thinking. When you know why you're saving, you stay motivated. Your goals will guide your decisions and keep you motivated. So, there you have it, 10 impactful financial changes you can start making today. Remember, it's about consistent action, not perfection. Don't try to do everything at once. Start with one change that resonates with you and build from there. To help you get started, we're offering a free budgeting template. You can find the link in the description below. Don't wait! Your future self will thank you for taking control of your finances today. Let's go over the 10 changes again. Track your spending, create a working budget, build an emergency fund, pay off high-interest debt, set clear financial goals, cut unnecessary expenses, start investing, learn about money, surround yourself with money-smart people, automate your saving and investing. Even if you start with just 2 of these today, you're already moving in the right direction. Financial freedom starts now. Pick just one to start with today, then build from there. It's not about being perfect. It's about being consistent. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more personal finance tips. See you next time.